sNails, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my nails. I'm going to show you guys how I'm getting my nails done today. As you see, I'm missing 2 nails on this hand and I'm missing 1 on the other hand. This is what they look like previously. They were it's been 3 weeks since I've got them done. Let me see if I can kind of like, there they go. So it's kind of like this pink. I am a diamond girl. Like, I love the jewels on my nails. It just gives me that whole classy feel. Like, I feel like I'm super popping when I have diamonds on my nails. Anyways, I wanted to film just today, get my nails done. I try to go every 3 weeks. Sometimes 3 weeks be pushing it, and that's why my nails be off. But anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like find it interesting and you want to see more videos, give it a thumbs up. I already talking my nail tech. I'm like, bitch, let's film it today and see how it come out. So hopefully you guys like it. I really don't know what I'm getting just yet, but it's 1:20. My nail appointment is at 1:30, so I'm just about to go in there anyway. And yeah, so let's get into these nails. funny. When I tell you my nail tech like sit up every time, like she my nails up every time. Like I love my nails when I'm done leaving my nail tech. Like these are so gorgeous to me. I'm gonna see if I can get a clip in the sun, or you might have already seen it like in the sun, like how they just shine. I mean like sparkle. Like I really just love my nails. I'm so like, it's gonna be a lot of this on Snap. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. My nail tech's information is in the description box. She is in Salisbury, Maryland, so if you're anywhere in this area, then yeah, you can follow all her social media. Give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see my next nail salon trip, or you know, when I get my nails done again, of course, give me a thumbs up on this video, and that'll let me know to film it next time. Anyways, I'm NeneTanae to all my new subbies. Hey boos, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye y'all.